Welcome to Tablet Guide. Today we're going to be reviewing the HUION Kamvas 22 graphic pen display tablet. You're going to need to make sure your desk is big enough for this tablet, as it's very big. It's so big I had to open the packaging on the floor. When you first open the box, you're presented with the stand, which needs to be fixed to the back of the tablet. Lifting off the lid, you're presented with the tablet itself. Opening up the box of goodies, you're presented with the power cables, power lead, power brick, and a 3-in-1 cable for connecting the tablet to your laptop or MacBook. You also get a pen nib holder with spare nibs, an Allen key for fixing the stand to the back of the unit, and also the pen. It wouldn't be much good without the pen. The pen supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and also 60 degrees of tilt. You also get the driver manual and a cleaning cloth. The driver software is presented in 4 sections: press keys, digital pen, work area, and the about section. The press keys is redundant for this tablet as it hasn't got any shortcut keys or express keys. The digital pen section is where you can adjust the pen's pressure sensitivity. Finally, the about section is where you can check for software updates, follow the links to HUION's website, or simply revert everything back to normal should you mess up the settings. The pen is plastic, battery free, and also feels a lot lighter than it looks, but it does have a nice feel to it. It's a 2-button pen, and out of the box, by default, the top button acts as a right mouse click and the bottom button acts as an eraser. The stand itself is quite sturdy, plus the addition of 2 rubber feet on the underside of the display ensures the tablet doesn't move around once you start drawing. It's also fully adjustable from 20 to 80 degrees, meaning that you can lower or raise the display to whatever angle feels most comfortable to use. The build quality of both the pen and the display is excellent. This is certainly a device you'll want to show off to your friends and any potential clients. The display itself is Full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution, which in these days of 2K, 4K and upwards etc, it still works very well on this size of tablet. It's an IPS LCD display, which while not fully laminated like its bigger brother the Kamvas 22 Plus, I had no problems at all drawing on this device. tablet contains an anti-glare matte film and etched glass to reduce any reflections or glare you may encounter whilst using this tablet. If you're a fan of shortcut or express keys, you'll have to look elsewhere, as this tablet doesn't have them. The design is nice and minimal, with only a small row of icons on the top right where the power and function buttons are nicely tucked away. It's these you'd use to adjust the brightness, colour, sharpness by using the on-screen menus. On the back of the unit, tucked away alongside the connections, is a USB port. This is handy to plug in your files while you're working, rather than faffing around trying to reach over or to the side of the tablet to get to your PC or laptop. Once the tablet is set up at your desktop and you start work, you realise just how big this tablet is. The picture quality and colours are fantastic. Lines and strokes drawn on this device tapered off nicely, and I experienced no lagging at all. This is a great tablet from HUION and it comes fully recommended. That just about wraps it up for this video. Don't forget to leave any comments below and also subscribe to this channel. See you next time.